Hi, my name is Azmina ZAMANI with my three co-authors Suraya, MASROM, Shahirah, MOHAMED, HATIM, Nurul, Syazana, Aina, ABIDIN. We are from University Technology Mara, Malaysia, and I'm going to present about our work on visualization of customers' feedback data on telecommunication provider service in Malaysia using sentiment analysis. Okay. The content of this work involved introduction, related work, methodology, results, and conclusion. With the advancement of technologies, telecommunication companies has the opportunity to enhance their business management for a better service to customers. Usually, customers post their opinions or feedbacks on a certain products or services on their social networking sites. Usually, Facebook and Twitter are those popular sites being used to display all these customers' feedback. And these feedbacks is important to businesses in order for them to improve their products or services and due to various offers from Malaysia's telecommunication companies such as Maxis, Telkom and Digi, it is quite difficult for users to choose which is the most suitable packages that suits their needs, depending on their locations or the amount of data they are using every day in their daily activities. So this work aims to produce or to develop a web-based system to visualize these customers' positive and negative reviews in order to assist them in choosing the most suitable telecommunication services and also beneficial for the companies to analyze which part they are lacking in their services. Most of the previous work, sentiment analysis is used to analyze those texts. Doesn't matter whether it's English or any other text. And the two most important techniques in this analysis are text processing and classification. Text processing, which involves the lexicon-based approach, is used usually for text other than English, since they can be created manually or automatically using seed words. And the classification, naive Bayes has been used quite often previously as it is a supervised algorithm with independent feature. And these two techniques are used in sentiment analysis for this work as it doesn't require any procedure of learning for data. That's why the lexicon base is used. And also, since Malay texts are involved in this work, lexicon base is the most suitable technique to be used for this work. And naive Bayes is also being used in this work since it has high precision and faster to classify. And it also can deal with noisy data by removing irrelevant features in enhancing the classification performance. Data visualization tools such as D3, GIS, HighChart, Looker, and Tree is used to represent data in an informative way. So for this work, HighChart is used to help people understand the data by representing it in graphical context. So this is the system architecture of the system. Okay. So firstly, the raw text will be extracted automatically from Twitter. Three different Twitter accounts of the telecommunication companies is taken, which is Maxis, Telkom and Digi. Next, preprocessing will be done by filtering the data or the text. Then they are stored in the database. This process is used by applying the lexicon-based approach. Then the classification will be done by using naive Bayes, which both English and Malay texts are classified into positive and negative categories. Lastly, visualization is performed by representing two types of data chart. Firstly is the pie chart, second is the word cloud. Okay, from the results obtained here, the first chart represents how many positive and negative percentage of Maxi's company customers. It seems that Maxi's company has 76% of positive feedbacks from the customers, which shows that the customers are mostly satisfied with the service being provided. By looking at the second chart, for the other two companies, which is DG and Celcom, it doesn't have much difference in their percentage. However, Maxis still has the greatest number of positive tweets, which shows that most customers like to use Maxis provider more than the other two providers. The next visualization chart, which is the word cloud, represents how many negative words being used by Celcom users. As we can see, according to the results, Celcom users are not satisfied with the internet speed, line coverage, and the price. So the larger the font size, it represents that most customers are talking about that problem. So this should be focused on more by the Celcom companies to improve their service. As a conclusion, Maxis has shown to have the most positive words used by the customers in Malaysia, and it portrays the good services being provided by this company compared to the other two companies. So the negative words really needs to be taken into consideration by using the word cloud as a guide to focus more on which part of the service they are lacking. And it is recommended for the companies to observe these feedbacks in improving their company services in the future. Thank you.